How to use an HSA to build wealth tax-free. Did you know your health savings account, HSA, can be a powerful tool for long-term tax-free wealth building, not just a way to cover medical expenses? Hi, I'm Juliette Collin with Beckley Associates. Today we're going to talk about how you can use an HSA as a tool to build wealth. Let's break it down. An HSA is a tax-advantaged savings account for those with a high deductible health plan, HDHP. It offers a triple tax benefit. I'm going to show you an image that demonstrates that triple tax benefit. One of the triple tax benefits. One is contributions are tax deductible. 2, growth is tax-free. 3, distributions for qualified medical expenses are tax-free. HSA actually offers more tax benefits than either IRA or Roth IRA. Most people use their HSA for short-term medical expenses, but investing your HSA funds can significantly boost long-term savings. Instead of keeping your balance in cash, consider index funds and ETFs for steady growth, mutual funds for diversification, REITs for an alternative investment approach. A smart way to maximize your HSA: save now, reimburse later. Pay out of pocket for medical expenses. Keep your receipts. Withdraw tax-free funds in retirement while letting your HSA grow. Max out your HSA contributions. For 2025, that's $4,300 for individuals and $8,550 for families. Individuals age 55 or older can contribute an additional $1,000. Avoid common mistakes like not investing your HSA funds, using HSA money too soon instead of letting it grow, not keeping receipts for future tax-free distributions. Your HSA is more than a medical fund. It's a powerful wealth-building tool. Want to make the most of your HSA? Contact Beckley Associates today for professional guidance on your HSA.